Now, Heron's formula, I want to tell you who was Heron's and what formula he invented, he discovered to calculate the areas of triangles. In fact, Heron's was Egypt mathematician, and he born about 10 AD. He discovered one formula which is absolutely applicable for calculating the area of any triangle, especially in case when the triangle is scalene, then it is applicable. Otherwise, in right triangle, if base and height is given, there are certain number of other formulae for calculating the area of the triangle with specific conditions. But when triangle is scalene, no angle, no altitude, no perpendicular is given, then Heron's discovered or Heron's given the formula. Because of his formula, the chapter named as Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? First of all, I want to tell you, this is any triangle. I am taking it as A, B, C. As you know, the vertices and angles of a triangle are indicated by the capital letters, whereas the length of measure of the sides are given by the small letters. This is angle A, so opposite to this side is BC, this length is given by A. This angle is B, so opposite to this is B, it is given by measure B. This is C, so opposite to this AB, its length is given by small c. BC length is indicated by A units, AB length is indicated by C units, and the AC length is indicated by B units. So Heron's originated one result. With the help of that formula, we can calculate the area of triangle if only about its length is given. The formula is that first of all, ABC, what are the length of three sides is given. We have to calculate the semi-perimeter. This is denoted by the S. S is known as semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means what? Sum of lengths of three sides upon 2. This is S. Area of triangle. Area of any triangle by Heron's formula is this. By Heron's formula is given by root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. This formula is known as Heron's formula. If length of three sides of any triangle is given, then its area can be calculated by using the Heron's formula. There are certain number of other formulae for calculating the area. How we can calculate that area? This is formula is first one, area of triangle, as you know, we call it half into base into height. Half into base into height is applicable. I have written B to indicate the base. That is, if triangle is like this, base is given and height is given. If base is x, height is h, the result become half into x into h. We call it area of triangle half base into height, that is half into x into h. Sometime if right angle triangle is given, we say this is base, this is perpendicular. So in this case, area of triangle, suppose this is PQR, I am giving the name of this as DEF. So in this case, when triangle is right angled, it is given by half into base into perpendicular. So area of the triangle is given by half base into height. half base into perpendicular, and if we use the Heron's formula, it is given by root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is the semi perimeter, that is half of perimeter. In case if triangle is equilateral, for equilateral triangle, area is given by root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4 side square is the formula for calculating the area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is that triangle where all three sides are equal. So all angles are equal. So we can call it equiangular triangle also. Now one more condition, that if triangle is isosceles with base A and equal sides as x and x. If I explain you here, area of isosceles triangle with base, area of isosceles triangle with base as what, A units, and other two equal sides are of each length, what, suppose you can say x units. Area in this case will be half into base A into height will be calculated as x square minus a square by 4. So this is the formula for that isosceles triangle whose base is A and other two equal sides are given by x. It is half into a into root of x square minus a square by 4.